Continuing the 100-year legacy of honesty and public service. Good day, we
Sana, you can also
welcome
help
to
them.
Tagaytay City.
Because you
I
have
am
to be
here at the
global.
Father Hall.
Again,
It's built
it's
for the
always a
Office of Press
collaboration.
Conference
It's
on
always a
the
partnership.
resource
Kasi no matter how good the program of the department is, if there is no
Good morning po, from SBO PPC po, Puerto Princesa City. Pwede ko po bang matatanong is ano pong plano nyo para sa senior high school po under Magalang Curriculum? Thank you po.
Thank you so much. For senior high school, the Department of Education is on the process of reviewing, critically and comprehensively reviewing the curriculum. Actually, as early as December 2023, nagsimula na ang DepEd na review ang curriculum for senior high school. For the parents, for the community, for the stakeholders, and even from the learners.